how you all doing? My name is Hampreet Kaur. If you're a new subscriber, welcome back, and if you're a new one, make sure to watch till the end, and if you happen to like the video, please make sure to share, comment and subscribe so that you can stick around onto my channel and do not miss on any video, as I post video every Friday. Without wasting any more time, let's just get on into the as you've read by the title, I'll be showing you some heatless hairstyles. If you know me, you know that I do not like to straighten my hair that often, even in my college days or even at my workspace as well. I always like to do some braiding hairstyles, some braided hairstyles, or even some of the ponytails only. I did not ever like opening up my hair and going around like that because I sweat a lot. I sweat as hell literally, and in summers I just cannot afford to open my hair. And as you've seen that my hair is pretty thin, it's not that thin and it's not that thick as well, so I do not style them as often because I know the hair gets a lot brittle when they are heated. Without blabbering much, let's just switch on into the hairstyle. Proceeding with the hairstyles, I'd like to use a serum for my hair because I know that while doing these hairstyles some of the hair gets plucked. I always use a serum so that the process gets more smoother. So today I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. It's been recently launched in India and I've heard a lot of good reviews about it. I'm gonna just take two pumps of it, rub it on my hands. It seems pretty oily while I'm applying it on my fingers, but I know that it's not. I've been using it since the time I bought it, and whatever's left I'm gonna use it. So I've applied the serum just before you guys, and you can see that there's no greasiness to my hair. And it looks pretty dry but smoother and shinier, so I'd give a thumbs up to this serum. Now without waiting much, let's just get on with our hairstyles. Alright, for the first hairstyle, I'm middle parting my hair and as clumsy as I am. Now taking the front two strands and twisting them and pinning them at the back with the help of a tic-tac pin or bobby pin, whatever you like, and doing the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to take the two strands inside the ponytail, and this is the final look here guys. This is the simplest of all the hairstyles I've done, and believe me, I do it every day. Sometimes it's neat and sometimes it's not, and I love it. Now for the second hairstyle, I'm again middle parting my hair, but this time I'm gonna create two sections of it. Just see clearly, I'm just twisting the hairs and nothing extra, just twisting them and pinning them at the back with the help of a tic-tac pin or bobby pin, whatever you like. Now doing the same thing again. As you can see, I'm just twisting and trying to create a straight line, as straight as possible. And this is the second look. Yes, done. Now for the third look. Third look is the extension of the secondary look, doing the exact same thing on the other side, creating two sections, and this is the thing. Tying them in a ponytail and done. We're all done. For the fourth one, I've taken all of my hair on one side, and see clearly I'm roughly braiding them and not de-entangling them throughout. So there's a rough braid going on at the bottom. Now when it gets tight, I am going to take the bottom from within the loop, and this is it. You do not even need a rubber band for this. For the fifth hairstyle, I'm taking three sections of my hair, tying the middle one in a low ponytail and twisting it so that it creates a loop. Now braiding the other two sections, just redo it casually, and now taking it through the loop, and here I'm just letting them out for a minute. Now taking the braids through the loop and tying them, securing them with a rubber band. Now I'm going to unbraid it so that it looks very fine and it looks very elegant, believe me. Now moving on to the sixth hairstyle. For this, I'm going side part my hair, creating a high pony at the back. Now just pinning the front section and creating a simple ponytail Ariana Grande style. Now for the seventh one, I am going to pin the side sections of my hair and taking only the middle part, just the middle part. I'm pinning it so that it doesn't come within and doesn't make a mess. Now I'm gonna do a French braid at the middle section. And now do let me know if you want a tutorial on the French braid or Dutch braid. I'd be happy to make it in a separate video. And this is the final look. I just find it really cool. You'll find me with this hairstyle 90% of the times, believe me. And now I'm gonna middle part my hair, now doing a Dutch braid here. I'm not gonna go throughout the hair, all of the hair, but till the middle section, till the upper half only. And here I'm doing a Dutch braid. Again, do let me know if you want a tutorial on this, separate tutorial or detailed tutorial. I'm braiding it. And this is finally look. It looks so damn cute, man. It looks so damn cute. Now for the ninth one, I'm again middle parting my hair, but this time I am doing a French braid here, and I'm gonna do a braid. I'm gonna do braid of all of my hair. Now just see, and again, do let me know if you want a tutorial on the same, a separate tutorial. But it's very clear. The French braid tutorial is very clear here. In a French braid, you just take the side hair over the middle section, but in a Dutch braid, you take the other sections under the middle section. This is the only difference between these two braids, and that's how you do it. I'm gonna do it all. I'm gonna do the braid of all of my hair. Believe me, when you get the hand of braids, the French braid, Dutch braid, anything, you'll be perfect in it. You just need to practice it more often. Believe me, I've done it many times. And I find this hairstyle, the braids, very cute on me. Believe me, you can see it happening. I really find it very cute on me. With this top or even with many other tops, you'd find me doing this hairstyle very often. Actually, I've said this for most of the hairstyles now. I should be teaching myself. Our time, but look, this looks lovely. So cute. So this is the last. Now for the last one, I'm gonna do French braid for the upper half, upper section. You'll see clearly. Here my hair is very easy because I've run my fingers through my hair millions of times throughout this video. So that's the only reason. Now I'm just doing a French braid. It can look messy while I'm doing it, but when it's done, it doesn't look that messy. So yes. Now till I reach the nape of my neck, I'm going to do a French braid. But when I reach at the nape of my neck, what I'm going to do is I'm going to middle part all of my hair, the leftovers, and do the fishtail. For the fishtail, you're going to take small sections from each side and crossing them over. As you can see, I'm taking this side, section from this side, section from the other side, and crossing them over. But do remember to keep the finger in between each the both sections so that you do not lose the hand of it. And yeah, I'm taking a little bigger sections. You can even take smaller sections, but it takes a larger time, believe me. And yes, fast forwarding. When it comes to the front, when I take the hair to the front, just see, I'm doing it very fastly because it gets very easier when it comes down. Do let me know again if you want a tutorial on the same, the fishtail braid. I'd be really happy to make it because I really love two hairstyles. And yes, I'm gonna braid it till the time I'm satisfied with the length of my braid. Now securing it with a rubber band. and I'm gonna do it. Yeah, now fluffing it so that it looks big. This is the final thing. Okay, that's it for today's. These were all the heatless hairstyles that I had to show you. Let me know in the comment section if you want more such videos. And till then, bye bye. And if you like the video, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Now